elevated little, elevated a lot, and top floor. Roger. You're being a grumpy. You're being grumpy there for a little while. Okay, let's go. Base floor. Wait till the. Okay, ready to go. Waiting till the wind. No, wind, stop it! Okay, it's good. 3, 2, 1. That failed. That failed. Now there we go, and that failed. Now go up here. So the best one so far is base level. Maybe this one will be better. Really depends what you think. So right now, I think the base one is still the best. I think that might be because it's less. There's the top floor. Okay. 3, 2. The wind is so high. What? The wind is so strong, I mean. So okay, I guess we know which one's the best. Wind conditions. And that's the. There's Laffy Taffy stuck to my foot. There's Laffy Taffy stuck to my foot. It's not Laffy Taffy. It's Crying Taffy. They should eat this.